Hello, my sewing friends. This is Vlogmas, day 3 and Friday Sews. I'm Jen, and this is my sewing room where I've been in here a lot lately, both sewing and decorating. And I just needed to liven things up. You know, sometimes you just want to move the furniture around and just kind of change it up a little bit. So I've got all my little girls' dresses there in front of me, and I've got this stuff in the back, and this is pretty and nice and done. For Vlogmas, that was my primary motivation. Let me get to the sewing. You remember this stuff that I talked about? I think I talked about it last week. It is stretch velvet, and I have, well, I had, this is what's left of it. I had a top, well, it was actually a dress that I made from a Calls pattern. I think it's 7871. And I love that pattern, and I will make it again. But I had trouble with this fabric and that pattern. And so I thought, you know what? I'm just going to start over. I'm just going to do something else with that fabric. So I am. I'm making a little Vogue top, which I've made before. I need to put the sleeves on it, but I'll show it to you properly when it's done. It just needs the sleeves, the neckline finished, and all the hems. And that's it. I'm looking forward to getting that done. Also this week, I've been thinking about Christmas presents and a few things that I want to make. One is, gosh, I don't know if my kids are watching these or not. One is a skirt, actually, for one of my kids. This is tinsel, and it's soft. And I thought, oh, yeah, that might make a really cute skirt for one of them. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm probably going to use this Butterick pattern, which is Butterick 4260 from the 1980s. But you know what? If you want this skirt, it's in the catalogs. It really is. I mean, it's, you know, you can find this shape skirt, this silhouette. I'm either going to do that or this one. This is actually culottes and wide leg pants, but I turned it into a skirt a while ago. And so it has an elastic back waistband. And I don't know, maybe I'll combine them somehow because I really like the pockets on this one. So I don't know. But yeah, that's on the docket. And I got the sateen that I ordered for my Christmas dress. Now, I was debating about velvet, couldn't really find velvet that I wanted that wasn't really too expensive, and moreover, you know, that was kind of secondary. I couldn't find velvet that I could just throw in the washer and the dryer. And I thought, well, unless it was like a crushed velvet or a panne, and I don't like that. I want my velvet to be, I'm a purist when it comes about velvets. But I had talked about sateen briefly, and so I ordered some from fabric.com. This is a Telio Cupro sateen. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, Well, this is nice. I don't know that is it sateen? Yes, I guess it is. Look how shiny. Wow. Oh God, this feels divine. This feels so nice. Wow. I forget what it's made of, but oh, this is perfect. This is going to be perfect. But oh, I am really happy about this. This is going to be great. So my Christmas dress is a shirt dress. So I'll put probably a white collar on. That's perfect. That is perfect. I'm happy about that. Okay. Let me get to the Vlogmas portion, which actually it's all Vlogmas, but I wanted to talk about the comments that you guys left me last week. I asked you what was your favorite movie, what was your favorite song, and what was your favorite book, all about Christmas. And you guys came up with so many movies that I had forgotten about, so I had to tell you. Four Christmases, which I've never heard of that one. The Bishop's Wife, which it was made with Cary Grant back in the probably 1940s or 50s, and then it was remade again with Whitney Houston. And White Christmas, yes, of course. It happened on Fifth Avenue. Now, I don't know that movie, but I know Miracle on 34th Street. So that was another one. Love Actually, Gremlins, It's a Wonderful Life came up a lot. This Christmas, I don't know that I'd heard of that one either. Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. Remember that one with Steve Martin and John Candy? Let's see. Little Women. Then probably in every version ever made, because gosh, there have been a lot of them, haven't there? The Night Before Christmas, The Bells of St. Mary's. I did remember that one. A Christmas Story, of course, you know, with what's his name, with the BB gun. Elf. Meet Me in St. Louis. You know what? That was on that list of classic movies, Christmas movies, that I found on Google and was able to remember. The Christmas Chronicles. Now, I think that's the one, I watched that on Prime or, I don't know, Netflix or something. It has Kurt Russell and Goldie Hawn is in at the very end. Oh, it was really cute. You've Got Mail. I love that movie. I love that movie. Home Alone. Oh my gosh, yes. Christmas Vacation, National Lampoon. I think that's the same thing. National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, It's Wonderful Life. Christmas Wish. I have not heard of that one. Kiss Kiss Bang Bang and Miracle on 34th Street. So thank you for those. Thank you for reminding me of so many and then also giving me some ideas on new ones. Oh, there's like 2 or 3 new ones in there for me that I can look up and watch. Our topic for this week for Friday Sews is what holiday projects are you working on? I have a lot going. I'm sure you do too. I have that skirt that I just told you about, the velvet top to finish. I have my Christmas dress. I have nativity sets for, I don't know, I have 6 of them, which is an old pattern from 1978. It's Simplicity 8776. And then I've got a couple more things for the girls. I've got some yoga pants to finish, and then I've got one other thing I can't remember that I wanted to make for at least one of the girls. You know what, though, I'll get going, and then I'll I'll be sewing the night before we leave to go up north, where we always go to be with my parents for Christmas. So yeah, deadlines, man. I'm terrible with them. I make them, but yeah, I'm a procrastinator. So I want to leave you with this thought. I was listening to a book as I was sewing this top this morning, and I started thinking about something, and so I just was lost in whatever it was I was thinking about. I don't even know what it was now. I think it was a memory. When I came back to myself, I realized I had a smile on my face. I was smiling about something. And then I realized it was such a fond memory. And I thought, I love the times that you find yourself smiling and you had no idea you were even doing it. Isn't that great? You find yourself and you think, I'm happy. And it's a surprise. Like, surprise, you're happy. Here you go. I love that. Okay, I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 4. And if you'd like to see the previous 2 days of Vlogmas, then you can check right over here. Let me know what holiday projects you're working on, and we'll chat in comments, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.